Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. And those of you who know me know that I'm very transparent on how I do things. I put out a video yesterday concerning the silver price called Silver Let's Go. Today's video is going to be called Silver That's All She Wrote, because as you can see from the graph, it's been absolutely taken to the cleaners. And I just wanted to kind of give some insight and experience into, well, put some insight into this video because I'm not usually a spread better. And anyone who has a spread betting account will know that when you open the company website, it's going to tell you how many people lose. On IG.com, 75% of retail investors lose money. So I'm going to tell you what exactly happened. So looking at the chart here, I prefer the other company, to be honest, that I showed you yesterday, CMC. It's been a bit of a bloodbath, and the reason I kind of want to make a video is because I want to tell you that I made a bit of a faux pas. I did something I said I wouldn't do, and it cost me a lot of money. So in terms of my trades, unfortunately, they've stopped me out, which has annoyed me to no end. But I cashed out yesterday at 25 profit, and I put another spread bet for it to go up, and the market went against me. So what I did was I sold that for a £260 loss. Now, one of the issues with this type of trading, and this is why I do not promote it in any way, shape, or form, because I fall victim to it myself. I do it myself. So I started off with 500 in funds. I added another 500. I added another 500 just to kind of keep up with the positions that I have. And that's all well and good when you're in a winning position because you can compound that down. But when you're in a losing position, you start chasing money. And that's not where you want to be. This is really annoying because they've actually sold me out. I put a limit on for 27.50. I tried to move it and then it wouldn't let me. So I wouldn't be shocked if this breaches 27. Now, in terms of where the price is going, I think all the actions been done, to be honest. So it breached 30, it didn't hold. I said to a friend of mine, I mentioned it on the video yesterday, that it's kind of like a group of soldiers storming the castle. It's got to bang that door down, and when it bangs the door down on a certain price, it will run through and it will make new gains. However, as in any castle siege, there's going to be people trying to repel the attack, and I think the people who repelled the attack have absolutely, they're winning. They've won this. So you look at the other website, or the other provider, so much better. So it's gapped up. It's had big gains here, but the buying pressure wasn't sustained. It's dropped down, it's traded sideways, and then people have kind of lost the fight. So this is the last remnants of buyers coming in, hoping for it to go up. Now, I'm not a technical analyst. I'm not going to tell you things that are not true. But I know from experience that what goes up very quickly tends to come down. It's jumped from 27. I wouldn't be shocked if it goes back down to the 27 mark. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. And like I said, I don't do technical analysis. But in terms of sustained buy pressure, it's just not there. You can see by the candlestick. So yeah, I ended up cashing out. So yeah, I was £25 up, which is, it's okay. It's beer money. And then I was down 260. So I lost 285. Which is not where you want to be. And then I caught it on the way back down, which I was really lucky, because had I not caught it on the way back down and it continued to rise, I would have been stopped out at a £500-600 loss. So a 40% loss. There's a reason I trade coins and not paper markets. Paper markets are hard. They're flippant. They move fast. And you can't really get an edge. So you've got to the price has got to move by this amount for you to make a profit. And that's okay in a volatile market, but when it's working both ways, it really can sting you. Also, I didn't use a very good bankroll. So bankroll management was pretty much non-existent. It's still showing as a profit loss. This isn't a profit here. So this is the total. So I ended up leaving with £155 profit and 29 pence. I think it's not worth the aggravation. I've got no nails left. And in all honesty, there are easier ways to make money than sit behind a computer screen. I think so anyway. Now, there's 1 in 4 people can make a profit doing this. Do you fancy those chances? It's a shame. It's a shame they stopped me out. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a real account view of what happened. I can't see it going back to 30. I think it will drop and then it will probably trade sideways. But you also need to realize that when I trade coins, it doesn't really matter what the price is so much, because I buy for a price where I limit my downside. And I also move it very quickly. So the price fluctuations like the past few days don't really matter so much. I'll close it out, see what it says. It'll probably say phone management. Yeah, no, that's what was happening earlier. So I could have had an extra 80 quid. In all honesty, it's okay. You know, it really is okay. I hope you found this insightful. I'm not recommending trading like this in any way, shape or form. Personally, I think it's a lot riskier than people understand. I can see it banging the gates to 27, but hey, it doesn't matter. I'm taking my money and I'm running. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do like my content, you can like, comment and subscribe. I probably won't be making any more videos concerning spread betting. I think it's a product that very few people can win at, and it's not something I want my name attached to. So take care, guys. Bye.